Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a contact form to your card.co website so your visitors can send you messages and inquiries directly from your page. Let's get into it. First, insert the form element. To get started, you need to add the specific block that handles user input. Click the plus icon in the top toolbar and select Form. A default form will appear on your canvas. In the Settings panel on the left, make sure the type is set to Contact. As of 2026, the built-in contact form feature requires a Pro Standard plan or higher. If you're on the free tier, you'll need to upgrade to enable the Submit functionality. Next, configure your recipient email. This is the most important step to ensure you actually receive the messages people send. In the Form settings under the Contact tab, look for the Recipient Email field. By default, Card sends messages to the email address associated with your account. However, you can enter up to 5 different email addresses here, separated by commas, if you want the notifications sent elsewhere. You can also customize the subject line so you instantly know which email came from your website. And lastly, secure your form, spam protection, and options. Before you go live, you need to protect your inbox from bots and customize the user experience after they hit send. Under this tab, you can set the success behavior. You can choose to show a thank you message or redirect the user to another page or URL. You can also toggle Reset Form on success, so the fields clear out once the message is sent, making it ready for the next visitor. And that's pretty much it. To add a contact form in 2026, click the plus icon, select Form, and set the type to Contact. Enter your recipient email, then head to the Options tab to enable spam protection and set your success message. Don't forget to hit Publish so your visitors can start reaching out. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.